This section examines the power booster. A power booster or power brake unit uses a vacuum to multiply the driver's pedal effort and apply that to the master cylinder. This increases the pressures available from the master cylinder. Units on petrol engines use the vacuum produced in the intake manifold. Vehicles with diesel engines cannot use manifold vacuum, so they are fitted with an engine-driven vacuum pump. The most common booster now operates between the brake and master cylinder. It increases the force that acts on the master cylinder. Whenever the pedal is depressed, the power brake unit assists the driver. The level of assistance depends on the pressure applied.